Hey everyone, I've got a couple Saabs for you this week. First up is a DNA Collectibles Saab 99 Turbo. This would be late 70s. I think like 1978 was the first year. This was still when turbocharging was kind of a neat new innovation. Let me get rid of this smudge that's bothering me. Now you can't say I don't clean my models. So anyway, late 70s, still pretty early on in turbocharging, which Saab was kind of known for. DNA Collectibles does a really good job with these. This, of course, is resin, non-opening. Grill detail's very good. Those are non-opening grills, but, you know, nobody's perfect. Wheel detail, very good. Crank down the lighting a little bit. It's a little bit much for my taste. There we go. Okay. The interior, really good. The seat fabric's very convincing. These would have had an 8-valve, 4-cylinder, maybe 135 horsepower at the most, you know. Off the top of my head, not much, but we're talking about the late 70s when everything was emission controlled and not exactly fast. The only real slight imperfection is this trim is pulling away from the bumper, which I'll easily fix with a little bit of clear glue. The little mud flaps are a nice touch. You can see all the sparkle on the paint. No one else has done this subject, a 99 Turbo, in scale like this. This is car number 407. Not exactly sure if the production run should be under 500. And funny enough, car retails for about 175 shipped. I bought them out. They had 5 left, which means one of them was free. I had a couple friends pick up the rest and put a couple on eBay, so that car wound up costing me nothing. So at that price, I'm definitely not mad at it. This is the newer updated window box packaging of DNA, which I prefer to the old packaging in a satchel. Next up, relatively new release. Good old-fashioned diecast. This is like again a Chinese kind of no-name model. This is a later Saab 9.3, which you could trace its origin back to the 99T as the, you know, kind of sort of entry-level Saab. This would probably be about a 2010, 2011, something like that. This is a 2.0T. You could get a V6 in this body style, but the V6 was done by 09, so in this updated body style, you can get a V6 in 08 and 09, and the first few years before this update, 06 and 07, you can get a V6. Interesting, these wheels are 18s, and it's a wheel we could not get in the US unless you got it as an option. This is pretty good overall. The convertible top is removable, and what's neat is it's simulated fabric. The silly part is they're showing the tan part, which is nice, and the defroster, which is nice, but they show this thick leading edge of tan, which just it's not accurate at all. If I actually want to modify models accurately, I'd paint that flat black. Over here, some more details. The interior is very good. The seats fold, which is nice. The glove box opens, which is neat. Armrest folds up. Outside, the fuel door opens. I can never get those open. Under the hood, what's it called? The B207R 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo, 210 horsepower, torque from memory 228, something like that. I've got this engine. I currently have a Saab 9.3X, one of 498 made for the US. That's my winter beater. Only I would have a winter beater. That's a rare, nice car. So I'm very familiar with that engine and drivetrain. This looks to be, what is it? An automatic, which probably a 6-speed automatic. Very nice chassis detail. Good color breakup, everything you want to see. Trunk opens, of course. And it's carpeted from underneath the hatch, which is nice. You do have dog legs. Carpeted in there too. I even like the little curly Q on the antenna. Very detailed overall. Retail, $189. I got it on eBay with the help of a friend who bought more than one car. I got it for $127 shipped. And oh yeah, the mirrors fold in too. So obviously at $127 shipped at that price, I'm not mad at it. Packaging, nice and elaborate for one of these dealer editions. White packaging. Splits open. And this was another one that comes with like a crevice tool and gloves and a nice little display base. So again, really neat piece. Again, not exactly common for modern Saab diecast with opening parts. So that's it for this week. I keep buying more and more cars. I've been bad, like I said, so a lot more coming. Thanks again. Please like and subscribe.